Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Secret Indian Mama. After a very long time I have come up with another video from first birthday series, and yes, in today's video I'll be sharing basic ideas for baby's first birthday cake smash. Now let's get started. Oh yeah, before moving on guys, please subscribe to my channel and also click on to the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post any videos on my channel. I wanted basic and simple decorations for cake smash because I wanted to give a clear difference between the cake smash and the first birthday decor. That is the reason. If you want, you can also do it in a very grand way. Before starting with any decorations, you have to be very specific about the color combinations which you want for the decor. I selected dark blue and yellow color, but I did not get yellow color foam sheet, so I ended up with brown color. So yeah, here I have taken foam sheets and I had some letter cutouts indicating I am one, and this is how my bunting banner was made. And I used some glitter stickers, star stickers, to give a kind of glowy look to the bunting banner. And using a simple threaded lace, I attached it on my wall, and this is how my bunting banner looked. It's simple and a very good one. Then I decorated the wall with a simple paper fan. I gave a paper fan a shape of bow, indicating that it's a boy's cake smash. I forgot to record the video of how I made that paper bow, so I'm showing you a sample on how you can make a paper fan using a simple paper. This is how you have to do, and then give it a shape of bow, or you can even give a full circle shape of paper fan and you can stick it on wall. It's all up to you. Here I made I used two papers and then I gave a shape of bow. So it's all up to you. You can get creative here. So with this I was done with the wall decoration. Now let's move on to the floor decoration. You can have your baby's cake smash on floor or on high chair or on dining table. It's all up to you, but I wanted to have it on floor, so I decorated the floor with some yellow color smiley balloons. Then I got this simple yellow color cake, which is basically a butterscotch buttercream cake for the cake smash. And then I made use of one small stool, and I covered the stool with blue color stole and placed the cake on top of it. And then obviously I had my LED light box. Using that I gave a note, it's Zohan's cake smash, and then I started clicking pictures. Initially my boy was really confused as what was going on and why he was made to sit in front of a cake, but then we all started encouraging him and we all started clapping. That's the reason he thought that some fun is going on, and he started exploring the cake, and it was super duper fun to take the pictures. He was just exploring the cake and he was just playing with the cake. He never kept his hand on mouth. That was a very surprising fact for every one of us. And then we started encouraging him to taste the cake, and only then he started tasting the cake. It was really nice. He was very silent, very calm. He did not make it a very messy cake smash. It was all good, like how we expected, and this is how the pictures turned out. We just used one specific corner of our living room for this cake smash. We did not use the entire living room because we didn't want it to be a messy one. You can also try this kind of decor for your baby's cake smash, or also you can try out in a more creative way. It's all up to you. This is like really a very basic cake smash idea. I hope you really like this video and found it helpful. If so, please click on to the like button and let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestions or if you want to know anything about the decor. See you in another video soon. Take care. Bye bye.